So, Adore Me. I'm seeing all these ads. I want to know if it's form-fitting and flattering for the plus-size girl. I'm a boss. Hey y'all, so welcome back. In today's video I am doing a first impression of a bikini that I got from Adore Me. Now I keep on seeing these ads popping up on Facebook, on Instagram, online, everywhere, and the stuff be looking cool, but the models don't be, I'm just gonna say they don't be hitting it. So today I'm gonna show y'all a bikini that I got from there. I'm gonna give y'all my first impression, my honest review on it, and everything like that. So before I jump in this video, if y'all can go ahead and smash that subscribe button and then turn on them notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post. So y'all, I know I've been missing the action for a minute. I have had a lot of stuff take place and it's just been really hectic and chaotic, but I know it's swimsuit season, it's summer, and a lot of ladies do online shopping for bikinis. And I've seen Adore Me unboxings, but let's just gonna say I ain't really like them. So I got a bikini from Adore Me. It comes in this really cute little box. Their packaging, I'm not really impressed with the packaging, but it's got I like what the box says. Discover what makes you shine. So that's cute. But other than that, I guess so. So I got a 2-piece. This is in a size 2X. I didn't want to get a 3X because I looked at the measurements on their website. It went according by your bra size. So you can get the bra in a different size, the bottom in a different size. So y'all, I got some big girls. So in the bottom, I got a 2X. If y'all could see that. It does say 2X. The style is Junebug. So the bottoms are just like regular high-waist bikini briefs. And of course, y'all know I'm going to show this on. A regular high-waist bikini briefs. And then the top, I'm trying to remember what size I got the top. I got the top in a 2X as well, because a 2X will be according to a size 40 triple. I got some big old girls. Let's get into it. So, as you all can see, it's just a basic little bikini top. Now, what I do like about it, and it's gonna be my first time doing it, it ties on the back. I guess these little bra pads will come out if you want to wash it, so I think that's a good thing. What I don't like about it, and I'm gonna show y'all in a minute, where is the underwire? Like, I got some big old bitties. So ain't no underwire on here, but I'm done showing y'all the bikini out of the bag and in my hand. And in this next clip, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on. Now y'all be ready, because it's cute. It's kind of plain looking to me, but this is, let me show y'all and y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay, y'all, so I'm showing y'all this is real deal Holyfield, okay? So I told y'all about the bikini bra top. No underwire going on here. The girls are out, but without that underwire support, I'm really not feeling it. But of course, as I told y'all, it has adjustable straps, so most likely I'm gonna get them bad boys up, pull it up. And then of course I was telling y'all that the briefs are really good. Like, when I tell y'all, the briefs go really high. So if you're worried about having back fat, look how high you can pull that up. And it can just cover all of, conceal and cover all of that. But of course I don't need mine that high, because baby, I don't care. I ain't worried about it like that. But y'all, I told y'all I've been working out. Like, my stomach is looking really good in these. What I also like about it is that it goes up high enough where you don't have to worry about it exposing any rolls. Y'all, this is the back. Of course, it's not tied that good, but I like the fact that it's like it's really cute. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it about a 5. Just for the simple fact it's missing something to me. And just for the simple fact it ain't no underwire. But it's very comfortable material. Y'all, I'm just letting y'all know that, like, I think it's really cute. But I'm not happy that it ain't got no underwire. This was on Adore Me's website for $49.99. You know they got it. If you sign up, you get all these perks and blah, 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 blah. So I did sign up and I got some money off. But y'all, this is like really cute. The only reason I'm not giving it a good opinion is because the no underwire thing. So let me get to the stomach for y'all. Like when I tell y'all, I'm gonna take it down. So yeah, I've been working out. So if it would have been a lower brief, I could have still, you know, got away with that. But the fact that it's high waist is even better. Again, the briefs are very comfortable. They do cover up their booty. That big old booty. Mike Tyson on your booty. Cover right their booty. Y'all! Yes, hunty. Yes. So, anybody out there that's plus sided, anybody out there to be like, girl, I can't wear no two-piece. Girl, yes, you can. You just got to get them from the right websites. Again, I wanted like a solid color because, y'all, last time I went crazy. I ordered 7 bikinis offline, and this is a sidebar. 7 off eBay. I got, believe it or not, 1 from the Goodwill that was brand new. Last year, I got another from the Goodwill this year that was brand new from Target. So comment below and let me know if y'all want to see the bikinis that I got from the Goodwill. I will do a quick little lookbook with those. But y'all, this is just really cute. You know, melanin popping and it ain't stopping. So yeah, of course, when I travel this summer, y'all going with me, and I will be doing a swimsuit of the day for y'all. Yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm feeling myself. And last year, 2 years ago, you wouldn't catch Nicole with no bikini on. So what did y'all think about that bikini? I mean, it looked decent on the website. Because like I said, they stuff was cute. But it wasn't that sexy to me. But if, you know, if Adore Me is something that you were interested in seeing what it looks like. And as y'all can see on camera, I got some big old bitties. I got some big ones. So the girl, the model that had that on, she was cool. She wasn't no Aubrey Graham or nothing like this. So, am I saying her name right? She was just a cool, basic, plus-size model, but she ain't had that bam, 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 bam. She wasn't thick with it like me, so let me know, do y'all like that? How did they look on me? I got some trips coming up this coming June and July. I'm sorry, July and August, because today's July 1st, so oops, my bad. So let me know, how did that look to y'all? I'm not really impressed. Would I order from Adore Me again? Probably just for some bras and some panties. But, I mean, the bottoms were really, really cute and, you know, fit into the stomach. But that bra, that bikini top, I like my girls to sit up, you know, have all that cleavage. And unless I pull them bra straps up really high, yeah, I don't know about that. So again, comment below and let me know if you like this bikini. Did I look cute in it? Was I popping? Was it popping? Was it popping? And let me know again, was that cute, y'all? Comment below. I miss y'all so much. So again, I thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.